show you guys how to adjust the door, or more importantly, what screws do what for these hinges. So if you notice, this door here needs to go up just a little bit. Gap here looks pretty consistent. All I'm going to do is raise this hinge up a little bit. This screw right here is what brings that base plate up. See, that's down, up. You want to do all 3 or 2 or whatever you have consistently, meaning the same amount for each base plate. And then that's it. This screw here moves the hinge in and out. See that? Out, in. This one here moves it off the wall of the cabinet. See that? That's if you want to close up this gap or open up that gap. And this one here and that one there, loosen up the base plate and move that up and down in case this isn't enough movement for you. That's it. These screws here remove the cup off the door. That's it.